Youreka lets you deliver forms, audits, assessments, checklists, and surveys on the Salesforce platform with ease, elevating the capabilities of your mobile workforce. In Salesforce, business users can easily create and modify forms in a matter of minutes. Youreka is native to Salesforce, which makes it easy to pre-populate forms and update records. Field personnel have access to everything they need on any iOS or Android device. They can create new forms or complete ones that have been assigned to them right from the Youreka mobile app. Youreka intelligently syncs with mobile devices, enabling your mobile workforce to expertly perform in the field while your device is online or offline. When your field staff is completing a procedure, assessment, or form, Youreka doesn't just facilitate the data collection, it improves performance by displaying relevant questions and information at the right time, guiding users through their process. Youreka's unique insights will ensure that your team is performing to the best of their ability, bringing the expertise of your entire organization to bear. Artificial intelligence integrated into Youreka positions your team to highlight and identify issues so that they are ready to make real-time decisions or address concerns while on-site. Data collected in the field is synced back to Salesforce so that your business process doesn't miss a step. Easily kick off approvals, automation, alerts, and collaboration. You can use Salesforce-native reports and dashboards to analyze trends and keep a pulse on performance. Visit the App Exchange to get started and see how you can elevate the capabilities of your mobile workforce with Youreka.